Hello, Guezzin members. In today's lesson, we're going to learn the basics of candlestick charts. We'll assume you know what a candle is. If you don't, be sure to watch our lesson on candlestick basics before continuing. When it comes to analyzing the movement of a specific asset, such as a stock, an index, a cryptocurrency, or any other market asset, there's several methods one can use. The most common is by using a candlestick chart. You'll learn more about stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies in future lessons. Back to the charts. The primary components of a chart are asset price, time frame, and candles. Asset price is usually located on the right vertical axis of the chart, where you will find a range of prices. These ranges expand and contract depending on the time frame you're using. Time is located at the bottom horizontal axis, and there you also find a range of times and/or dates, once again depending on the time interval. Time frame represents the length of time for each candle. Generally, you'll find time frame options towards the top of the chart or in a drop-down menu. For example, here we're looking at a 1-minute chart, meaning each candle is 1 minute long. If I switch it to a daily chart, each candle represents 1 day of price action. Candles are created according to the time frame and as the asset is being bought and sold. To find the opening, high, low, and closing price of a specific candle, look for the details, which are usually found near the top left of the chart, and hover your cursor over the candle you're interested in. I'm currently using a 15-second chart to demonstrate how candles are created and, as time passes, begin to form a visual of the asset's movement. As you can see, every 15 seconds that pass, a new candle begins and is formed depending on the price action during that 15-second period. You can also see the current price highlighted to the right. In addition, you're able to see previous candles, and if you zoom out, you can see what direction that asset has been moving within the visible area. Understanding the basics is one of the first steps in learning how to read and analyze a chart. In future lessons, we'll expand on these concepts so you can improve your skills and make informed decisions. Thank you for watching.